One really good tip for fitness and building muscle is making your own nut milks. This right here is blueberry hemp milk. I put frozen blueberries, hemp seeds, pine nuts, agave syrup. All you do, you can make any type of nut milk. You can do hemp seeds. That's one of my favorites for building muscle. You can do pumpkin seeds. That's another one of my favorites for building muscle. You can do sunflower seeds. You can do Brazil nuts. You can add in any type of sweetener you want. You can use dates to sweeten it. You can use honey. You can use agave syrup. And the reason why this is so good for building muscle, making your own nut milks, is because, well, all you got to do is blend it and strain it. That's it. You just throw everything in a blender with water, and then once you're done blending it, you strain it, either with a strainer with a handle, or you can use a nut milk bag just to get all the solids out and refine it into a pure liquid. And the reason why this is so good is because when you eat the nuts whole, nuts have so many different health benefits. Nuts and seeds, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, they all have their own amazing benefit. But the problem is, a lot of people have dental health issues like I do. I'm missing teeth. You can't really see it because they're back here, but it's hard for some people to chew nuts. Nuts are a very hard to chew food. Also, a lot of people have digestive issues, and it's hard for a lot of people to digest nuts because nuts are very high in fiber. Now, when you make nut milks like this, you can get all the health benefit without having to chew them or without having to digest it because it's already in liquid form. So it's easily digestible and you don't have to chew it. And that's why you should be making nut milks, because you do want to be consuming nuts pretty much every day in large amounts. You really do. You don't want to miss out on the health benefits that they have to offer, but most people can't digest nuts. They're very hard to digest. So when you make the nut milk, you're pre-digesting it. You're liquefying it, and you're straining out the indigestible parts. Like I said, it's not enough to just blend it. You have to strain it as well to get rid of to make it a pure liquid. If you don't strain it, it's going to be all chunky and gross, and that's going to be harder on your stomach. So yeah, nut milks for building muscle, guys. There's so many different health benefits to nuts and seeds, guys, like hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are one of my favorite. They're super high in protein and omega-3s. You got pumpkin seeds, also super high in protein and omega-3s. You got sunflower seeds, high in lecithin and healthy fats. You got Brazil nuts, high in saturated fat, which is good for building hormones. Every nut and seed has its own benefit. And so by making nut milks, that's an easy way to consume them without taxing your digestion and without having to chew them if you have dental issues. And your teeth can actually heal over time if you treat them right. I haven't healed mine yet. I still need to heal mine. But your teeth can actually heal over time if you treat them right. That's another video for another day. But yeah, nut milks. That's the topic of today's video, guys. I just wanted to talk about them because it's one of my favorite techniques as of lately for building muscle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you guys want to see more of on this page. And until next one, I'm out. Love and peace.